Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn some important phrases in Arabic. The first word is na'am. If you want to say yes in Arabic, you will say na'am. For example, if someone asks you to hal anta Pakistani, you will be say na'am. But if you want to say no, then you will be say la. For example, if someone asks you hal anta Arabiyyun, you will be say la. If you want to ask the price of something, then you will be use the word kam. For example, kam riyalin, kam yawman ta'ishu fil Makkah. You will be say أعيش عشرة أيام في المكة. If you want to know the location of something, then you will be use the word أين. For example, if you want to ask where are you going, you will be say أين تذهب. The next word is فندق. 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 It means hotel. In Arabic, we call it فندق. For example, أين الفندق? Where is hotel? The next word is مطعم. 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 It means restaurant. For example, أتذهب المطعم? Do you go to restaurant? The next word is باب. 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 It means door. For example, افتح الباب. Open the door. In Arabic, the word tea is known as shy. 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 For example, هل تشرب الشاي? Do you want to drink tea? In Arabic, the word coffee is known as قهوة. 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 For example, if you want coffee, you will be say أنا أريد قهوة. The next word is mirhad. It means toilet. For example, if you ask about toilet, you will be say أين المرحاض. If you want to ask about the way or path, you will be use the word طريق. For example, if you want to ask about the way of hotel, you will be say أتعلم طريق الفندق. If you see any prohibited thing, you will be use the word mamnu. It's mean haram. For example, هذا ممنوع. It is prohibited. The last word is صيدلية. صيدلية. In English, it is known as pharmacy. For example, if you want to ask about pharmacy, you will be say أين صيدلية. Hope you like this video. Stay connected. Jazakumullah.